me mwako aba YouTube channel no so me gusu aka say baso na wa subscribe send be update bi to ma sabe de e be kind of fast na ene nsemfo a ekoso ewo efuom ho ene parliament honom na me san no e ba be che e nyina enim nsemchironi Captain Smart or a journalist ba akope a ono de youth nsem ede na koma so pa nkwasasem ekoso wo parliament ho nyina ono de oboaboa no no abeka wa hanum si na ene Kennedy Agyapong e nyina enim Asin Central MP they be your criminal say like Whisker or Winia de ade ene na Kennedy Agyapong san sika awoni na Captain Smart etimi ede ho nsem abatudwa na say na nsem netie yese no onibi oye hiani until obey a member of parliament and still na blabomu yeden because that time corruption was there but in raising up to this point and on during former President Kufour administration asemna no kano bla former President Kufour edi ade no and I appointed Akwawi as minister na Akwawi yaman 80 million cedis so on fine supply air conditions to the other parliamentary and ministry agencies na abranti yesiska we ena mane eyeyi yankyere mu bo siska we ena mane eyeyi na kyesa wo hwa corruption eba mu ho no onye ne second scan na opocket TV na odi bi eboaboa no ho de bi creating the businesses it way is the beginning of corruption. So beginning of corruption started from Kennedy Agyapong, that is MPs corruption no started free Kennedy Agyapong so ene only power babonte ano yedede wo dime wo cars no de ne esi asofofo so bi ne mu secret or review so enche no ase atwa so or the nsem hwanya ba so timi complete it ensem chironi Captain Smart ene ode obepa agranti hontoma agranti se skedi 80 million sa time na nyeska ketwa nyeska ketwa kra 80 million cedis nyeska ketwa 2000 ku 4 time ukura 100 Ghana kra you be big man na 80 million it winning some phone ba ko akoso e de kwan MPB efa so ebobla Kennedy Agyapong so onyu bia 80 million air conditioners on supply ema ada ministry and agencies no and our pocket TV and all the be the businesses and our aboa ama and so kakra abeka nsa na MP ba ko bi so okay on the mpesa me ye ne ho ase and ho ase be next video ntina make a choose subscribe to YouTube channel because aha no nkwasasem no munye di ana me de bro life and colored no bia ni ho no ma obeka exercise Captain Smart because that man is doing a lot. He's talking to the youth. He's fighting on behalf of the youth. In some youth in Timinkan, and I ablanti itimi den itimi ekamayen. Iti say you kruma no say na say MPB be Jimmy say ye be ni say we are all supporting him. Because nkwasasem na ya do so wo munyina wo manyinyi bisa MPs no Kennedy Agyapong and ne ba ahene wo Ghana hase. Agufado ne ba be ne wo Ghana. They are exporting their children to where life is easy. No more ahanumzi a brand new head ama menu yemienu. Masa sankwasi asem na ekoso we from henyina menu we are going to end it. It is a jimienu we kwan obi fa so nya ni sika o. Corruption we kwan ofa so nya sika. Nso omo sole omo kasa gbegbegbegbegbegbe tisenia asa omai we mu no sika no omo na omo twamaye. Yenti nsem ni bi yenti nsem na kakra nsem na odeto so yenti kakra amgusu aka subscribe to YouTube channel na answer TNT nsem Captain Smart ekan
but J A Kufour na ma contract 80 million to supply air conditions to ministries, departments and agencies across the country. Have you forgotten? Urafi se Ghana ni bia wo krom ha bia na yema no 80 million contractor Ken kono so be dede te said ya wo yo no bako GH emam fama sa maso you were given that contract to supply air conditions in this country. We supply 8 million may you renew and you had the effrontery to insult